Get dressed with me for Balenciaga 55th Couture. Okay, for my top, this is my top. This is made in paper plate. Pero hindi to basta-basta paper plate lang kasi ito ay white gold. Okay, sobrang mahal nito. Okay, ganito yung itsura niya. Yes! Okay, let's go for the skirt. Skirt! Pero yung skirt na yun, kapag kinabit mo, magmumukha siyang cocktail dress. Go. Okay, for my pambaba, this is my pambaba. Okay, suotin na natin. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Super cocktail dress lang talaga siya. Or what if tanggalin ko to? Ano kayang itsura? Wait lang. Okay, ganito yung itsura niya kapag natanggal. So, ito na lang yung magiging top ko. Alin mas maganda? Yung kanina ba o yung ito? Okay, for my accessories, this is my accessories. Okay, quintas and bracelet. Hindi tayo magbo-boots, pero gamitin natin tong sandals at saka sunglasses. Okay? Okay, ganito yung itsura niya. Like, alam nyo, more on silver lang talaga ako. Kaya, let's go for the bag. It's silver also. Go. Okay, for my bag, this is rare. Ako lang ang meron nito sa buong mundo. Tsaka matchy-matchy lang talaga siya sa suot ko. For my bag, this is my bag. Yes. Oo. Alam kong nagugulat kayo na, ay, ang ganda naman ng bag mo. So, siguro mahal yan. Oo, napaka-detailed yan. And look at my keychain. Yes! Ganito lang siya, oh. Okay, for the final look, this is the final look. Like, it's me. It's silver. Ay, wait lang. It's silver. A, B, C, D. A na. Okay, last na lang. Look at my bag. Look at the keychain. It's so rare. It's sobrang ganda talaga. Like, yeah! Ang ingay.